bird dog and some modifications to make it a little bit easier. So I'm going to start and show you just a regular bird dog. I'm going to start here on this hands and knees position, making sure that my knees are wide so I have a nice base of support. Bracing through my belly, I'm going to lift my arm and leg together at the same time. Slow and controlled as I lower back down to the floor. Again, on the other side, tight. And back down. I want to make sure that as I'm lifting that arm and leg, that I am not overarching through my back. So we want to keep nice, neutral spine. Core is engaged the entire time. I'm also avoiding any excessive rotation through the hips. So if that's a little bit too challenging, couple of options. Number one, again, starting in this all four position here, knees wide, I'm just going to do the arms. Brace through the belly, slow and controlled as I reach forward, and back down. From here, next option is going to be just the legs. So two options here. I can keep that toe down as I slide the foot back and in. Or I can lift the toe off the floor as I kick the leg back, slow and controlled. From here, next option of difficulty, if you have a slider or if you're on carpet, you have a plate or a towel, something to help that toe drag behind you. You're going to put one foot on here, and we're going to do arms and legs. So that opposite arm, opposite leg. I'm dragging the toe behind me as I reach forward, and then coming back in. That is going to be our bird dog with modification.